Welcome to Receipt Wrangler, your go-to self-hosted solution for managing receipts and taking charge of your business expenses. Imagine you're a small business owner, like Jane, who runs a local bakery. Jane is constantly on the move, juggling everything from ingredient purchases, equipment repairs, and filing taxes. With Receipt Wrangler, she can easily manage her expenses without the hassle of paper trails or complex software. Let's dive into how Receipt Wrangler can transform the way you handle receipts. First, let's talk about effortless receipt creation. Using advanced OCR and AI image scanning, Receipt Wrangler allows you to quickly create digital receipts from physical ones. Simply snap a photo of your receipt with your smartphone, and the application will automatically extract the necessary details like date, amount, and vendor, along with keeping a copy of the image. This means Jane can instantly capture her flour and sugar receipts without missing a beat. To take advantage of OpenAI's API for affordable receipt processing, just set up receipt processing settings with your API key and make sure Use Vision is selected. We are using GPT-4o for the model in this demo. Gemini and Olama are also supported. Let's first add a sample receipt and use Magic Fill to pull any details from the image using OpenAI. To process receipts quickly, make sure your user preferences have Quick Scan defaults set. Then, Jane can upload multiple receipts at once and use AI to quickly process them. From there, it's easy to filter the receipts anytime your business needs access to this important archive. Next, we have Smart Categorization. Receipt Wrangler organizes receipts into categories that make sense for your business. Whether it's office supplies, travel expenses, or utilities, you can easily filter and find what you need. Jane can categorize her expenses into ingredients, kitchen supplies, and delivery costs, enabling her to see exactly where her money is going at a glance. Collaborative tracking is another powerful feature. If you have a team, you can share receipts and track expenses together. This is perfect for businesses with multiple employees who need to submit receipts for reimbursement. Jane's delivery drivers can upload receipts for gas directly into the system, keeping everything organized and transparent. Receipt Wrangler also offers seamless email integration over IMAP. You can have Receipt Wrangler monitor an email inbox and automatically process receipts as they come in. This feature is a lifesaver for Jane, who receives many invoices and receipts via email. Now she can easily keep track of her supplier invoices without manually entering each one. With Receipt Wrangler, Jane can focus more on baking and less on bookkeeping. This application empowers small business owners like her to efficiently manage their finances, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Whether you're a baker, a freelancer, or running a small pop-up shop, Receipt Wrangler helps you take control of your expenses with ease. So if you're ready to simplify your expense management and keep better track of your receipts, give Receipt Wrangler a try. It's your partner in making receipt management as straightforward as possible. Learn how we can help you set up and self-host Receipt Wrangler at formable.app. And don't forget to like and subscribe.